Smart Tower is an all-in-one solution for managing a cell tower company's assets. Smart Tower is protected by an industrial patent. Maintaining as-built records of internal and external assets in a digital twin is indispensable in asset management. Smart Tower offers an effective, timely, and complete response to these needs, achievable within previously unthinkable timeframes and price ranges. The Smart Tower solution avoids hardware and organizational costs of the tower manager by enabling internal asset digitization through smartphone usage. This easily creates detailed 3D models and walkable virtual tours with descriptive hotspots. Smart Tower improves safety, minimizing the risk of accidents at work by creating 3D models quickly and accurately using the most widespread drones in the market and utilizing autonomous navigation. A web-based 3D GIS platform allows the manager to view and manage the complete spectrum of assets. Meanwhile, trained artificial intelligence algorithms make database compilation increasingly automated. The Smart Tower solution is flexible and customizable, meaning it can be easily integrated into different business procedures. Smart Tower is ready for the future with IoT, virtual reality, and augmented reality add-ons. Smart Tower is the all-in-one solution for bringing the tower company into the 21st century.